Well, here it is, folks. What was formerly referred to as the workshop is no more. It is now returned to a residential space. Very nice it is to several hard days of slog to get it to this point. This orange tool chest will stay. That becomes the residential stuff. The power tools will stay here. The various tiny, small remaining policey bits, including that. Honda CB750K2 will go to the shop, but they're only small. Only a few odds and buggeries left over. So yeah, it's been an intense couple of days, but we have made this place transform. So tomorrow, which will be the final sort of tidy up on here, those horrible shelves will go. That toolbox will move over there. So it's up near the front of the workshop, what is actually dead space because of those shelves. So that will go. This now becomes permanent home to the trailer, so it's inside, out of the elements. The floor will obviously get blown, swept, pressure washed, etc, etc, etc. So it's clean again. This will be toys, so camping gear, scuba gear, so on and so forth, safely locked away in here. So very pleased with the results. Angus, you absolute legend. That is a massive nod to my man Angus for being steadfast and committed to getting the job done, and it's paid off tremendously. So my sincere thanks, my man. This is amazing. There will be a video tomorrow showing the new commercial workshop space with all the bits and pieces in it. Some organization is required there, obviously, because you can't move what was in here, plus the storage unit, plus another location into one space and not have an element of organization that needs to happen. But the good news is having everything under one roof, unlike here where everything was spread out, will give me the ability to have singular focus, and singular focus is what you need. So there you go. Update from the workshop. Again, happiness tinged with exhaustion, but much happiness. This has been a huge project, and to have this one under the belt is extremely satisfying. So I will post another video tomorrow. You will see exactly how much stuff got moved. I'll give you an update on the 750 because I haven't talked about that one yet. And I'll give you a sneak peek on some interesting developments coming up concerning that rotating pole light and this very special box down here with these very special components down here. Stay tuned for all of that, plus that, which is the data terminal for the paddy wagon, plus that, which is just some fantasy piece that somebody knocked up. So lots and lots more stuff to come. So until then, I think it's a very well-deserved bang the gavel, call it a night, and I will quite literally call it a night, and I will see you in the next video. Over and out, folks. Catch you in the next one.